Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term dank. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, dank is high quality, excellent, or cool. People use it when they want to praise memes, music, or even cannabis. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Dank first showed up in the early 2000s in internet meme culture and cannabis communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and online users. Now let's check out how to use dank in a sentence. Correct example 1. That meme you sent me was so dank, I couldn't stop laughing. Correct example 2. This party playlist is really dank tonight. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said dank at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using dank right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Dank means high quality, excellent, or cool. It started in the early 2000s online and cannabis culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with dank in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.